Hey, what is up, YouTube? Good morning. So, today I'm just going to do the usual. Talk about the strategy first, what I want to learn from this week, and what I want to improve on, and so forth. So, yeah, let's get started. Now, there's no one watching, but anyone who has watched or is going to watch this in the future, and if they've seen any of my other videos, they know I have a 5-step process. 1. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? 2. Areas of interest. These are just levels where you see price react to a lot. And where you can expect to see price continuing to react to. For example, if you were to mark up, let's see. I already have a ton marked up. Let's just remove everything. So for example, if you were to mark up this level right here, you can see we've had tons and tons of reactions to it. All through here. Here we had a little bit of a reaction. We've had some more reactions right here, right here, right here, right here. You can see that this was reacted to a lot. Where the heck did my drawings go? Oh, I removed our drawings. Yeah, so that's 1, bullish, bearish. 2, areas of interest. 3 is my entry model. This is the one most people get right away. And that's what I want the 1 minute to look like. I want it to create a all-time low. I want to create, up, an all-time high, all-time low, a retest into that. That's what I want it to look like. And maybe a move actually did just play out, but we shall see. See what this was. I'm actually going to get into a trade right now. What the heck? So stops above the previous highs. Let's see. I don't know where we want to target yet, but let's try it for now. Okay, and then to continue with the strategy, 1, bullish, bearish. 2, areas of interest. 3, my entry model. 4 is higher time frame setups. And so all I want here is to see if higher time frame agrees with lower time frame. 5 is DXY. If DXY is bearish, gold is bullish. If DXY is bullish, gold is usually bearish. With these things, each one of them gives me a little edge to be right on my trades. And with all these together, creates a really good strategy. So for this week, I want to focus mainly on just a couple things, and that's just mostly psychology. I feel like my analysis is usually pretty good. My technical analysis is usually pretty good. It just comes down to my psychology, you know? I don't FOMO. I don't get in a trade, I don't do any of that bad stuff, revenge trade or anything. Nothing controls my emotion when I get into a trade. We're back. Yeah, so as I was saying, nothing controls my emotions don't control whether I get into a trade. But they control if I exit. I'll get in a trade and it will most likely win, but I don't ever want to take a full loss. So I'll just cut my loss in half, I'll do a trailing stop loss, or I'll break even at the wrong time. And so I just want to avoid those things today. So that is just the goal. If I do those things, I'm happy. I may take a loss or two, but that's okay. I'm interested not in winning, but I'm interested in learning and managing my psychology. So that's what I want to focus on for the week. And with that being said, I'm just going to get in Discord now. What's up, guys? How's your morning?
Yo, what's up, everyone?
Good morning, Max. How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. What about you?
Not so good.
Not so good.
Not so good.
What's up, bro?
I'm in a losing trade.
Fair. Wait, are you live?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Gotcha. Oh no.
It's tickling my stop loss.
Pickle, pickle. Another $5 loss? No way.
It'll be fine. Because it's going to come
$5,
back
that's
down.
like at least, that's like 25 bubble gums, bro.
I know. Oh no. It's tapped. It's tapped. Oh, actually, this is a little more. I'm just going to cut it now.
Trying to pull up your stream.
Oof.
Bro, if I can give you two things, two pieces of advice. I was looking for longs just because of that break and retest. I saw it in Tom's journal, and DXY is bearish.
Yeah, DXY flipped. I was in the trade while it was still in a bullish up move, though, for the most part. Yeah, it started flipping when I was already in the trade.
Wait, when did you get in? What were you trying to get in on the 2 hour?
I got in at 9:06.
Is that what
It
you got
was,
in on, or four?
let's see, it was a 2 hour type 2, 1 hour type 2, and 4 hour type 1. And a 5 minute type 3. I don't really consider this a 1 minute type 3, but
Yeah, because I was looking for shorts, but earlier this morning. But after seeing how fast and how hard that thing broke out, I switched up entire. I haven't taken any trades yet. I'm still waiting for like a 1 minute take 3 or something like that. But we've already blown past the 4-hour type 1. So I think
Yeah, all that is definitely over.
DXY is flipped now, so I think it's kind of.
Must have hit. I don't have my DXY marked up. Did it hit an area of interest? Yeah, it looks like it did.
It did.
Yeah.
I have that zone marked up there. See that bullish type 3 that happened at like 909? I was contemplating taking that, but DXY hadn't fully flipped yet, so that would have been the move. But there was no higher time frame.
Yeah, I'm not worried about this trade. I mean, there was 2 other trades like this in the past that have kind of worked out. That was in my journal, so I just needed to take this one again. They were literally, I think, like the exact same trades, except DXY flipped in this trade, and the other ones DXY didn't flip. Remember, like that trade you missed out on, Max, that one time?
Yeah.
It was reminding me a lot of that trade.
The long or the short?
The short, like, it was like a 15-minute type 3. Yeah, this one. Like where it was like, created an all-time high, new low, came up to retest. And we took shorts down. It was Thursday. And then we missed the trade, so you took Friday off. Well, we have news in about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So, that's going to be cool. I'm debating if I want to trade at 11 or not. Well, I guess the hour after news.
I think you should just full port the rest. That's a lot of bubble guns if you want.
True. That is true. I'll put it into longs.
Yeah, the XY is bearish, just full port longs for like I told you yesterday, right? For like, less than 30 seconds. Just that one candle, you would have made like $100.
I do have like a 1 to 500 leverage, so I think I could technically.
Oh, you're set, bro.
Yeah.
Told you, if you would have scalped that one candle, you would be up like $100.
Yeah, so pretty much the only learnings for this trade really was that I need to check to see if DXY reacts to an area of interest. Other than that, it's pretty much identical to 2 other trades I've taken, and they both worked out, so. Do you guys know what a pepperoni roll is?
Like a pizza roll, but with pepperonis.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess so. But it's not like there's no sauce in it.
Just rolls with pepperonis.
Just rolls with pepperoni inside. Yeah. It's apparently you can only buy them in my state. Anywhere else in the world, well, in the United States at least, they're like illegal, and no one really makes them in the rest of the world. So
Illegal, you said?
yeah, you literally can't make these and sell them in any other state in the USA
Crazy.
because it's like they said it's covered meat, so like it's meat and bread, so you can't see what kind of meat is inside, and they think it's like dangerous or something, so it doesn't pass a lot of health code regulations in other states. You can make them, you just can't sell them. But I was thinking about it because I'm about to make one, and I forgot that most people don't even know what they are.
Yeah, I have no clue.
Be back. Yeah, I don't know. Today's looking pretty weird. I don't want to say weird, but I'm not sure if I'm going to see any setups. Because I don't know if I'm going to take a sell again. I think taking a sell would just be wrong. So unless it, like, news flips it and makes it completely bearish, I don't think there's going to be a trade today.
Just going.
What do you think was wrong with my trade?
What were the types again?
Okay, so it wasn't, I don't want to count it as a 1 minute type 3 because it was like huge, but it was a 5 minute type 3, a 30 minute type 2, a 1 hour type 2, a 2-hour type 2, and a 4-hour type 1. So I don't think the setups were the issue. There was so many levels it could have reacted to. If you look at overall higher time frame, even though we've had the bearish close, I'm not sure I want to say we're actually bearish, even though we had a previous 4-hour bearish candle. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm thinking that, like, I saw that and I thought we were gonna go bearish, but
It's just the order flow. I'm seeing like bullish right now just because of how we tapped into like a level in the 1 hour on the 25th, 5 days ago. Then we broke above it, came to retest yesterday, couldn't
yeah,
break through that level. Then even if we're like on the 1 hour, it's extremely bullish. Even if there was a type 2, like it wasn't a bad take, but I don't know. I just feel like since it's pretty tough, bro, because like we broke above, then broke below, then broke above again. Because I have like a level there.
yeah, just a weird
And like
spot or
we
something.
broke above, broke below. I don't know.
Yeah,
I could have done better, honestly. Maybe just direction. Because of how like bullish overall price is, like on the 5 minute and stuff.
I think it's that. I think overall higher direction was an issue, but I think mostly was I didn't have DXY marked up, so like I didn't realize it was reacting to an area of interest before I entered the trade. I'm thinking about creating a DXY checklist of like things I check on DXY before I get into a trade. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It sucks a bit because I think we're gonna get a type 3 for
Yeah, but like I don't know if we're gonna be able to take it. I think I might just call it a day. Maybe I'll check around 11 again in an hour and a half, but I mean, I already took a loss, and not just that, but I don't see any setups happening until we get news that goes bearish, you know?
Yeah, news are in 20 minutes.
Shit, it says actual instruction. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's a step by step. It's not like a story. Okay, it's actually more of a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 kind of thing. Yeah, it lays the foundation at least. So I think it's gonna help you tremendously. It would be crazy if we're gonna see the same thing. We break above, we take out all the highs, and we still only just to know our time difference. I'm trading in Singapore time. It's Asian time. So you don't have to trust the dollar index all the time or the euro index. You can create your own euro index by looking at whatever you want to do. So in this case, I said I'm going to measure the euro against the euro USD. So I measure the euro against the dollar, the British pound, the New Zealand dollar, the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, and the Swiss franc. And I'm going to divide it by 6, and I'm going to get a chart, an average chart. And it then shows you, very simple, support and resistance. And then I use support and resistance. So that's why we're doing it, and that's why we're teaching the guys it, and that's why these guys are trading a lot of different instruments right now. Most of them are trading Forex because of that. Right, they're killing it. Look at Marco, Euro USD short. What is it? You know what the thing is with these type of series, man? You need to commit your life to it. You need to literally commit.
This guy took the same sell as I did, wonder.
So yeah, it looks overall like quite good to me now.
It's like the same exact trade pretty much.
Closure comes potentially skills.
It was a good trade.
Then yeah, then I'm looking for continuation buys. US, we still have news. 3 counts, yeah.
Seems like he has a similar strategy, just not.
Which broker
He relies on the dollar.
using
He relies on basic price action, but
check it out. So yeah, this is for me just a news play now. Waiting for the news to do its thing here. Because if you look around our time for now, we have that break. We might still have a rejection point overall. I do see this as a serious break. This hourly close is going to be, yeah, just critical. Critical. We're now once again breaking structure. We came back down, we're breaking above the highs.
People going in Tom's channel just because they think their signals is crazy.
what did you say? Sorry. I have too many sounds happening at
People
once.
going in Tom's VIP group just because they think he does signals is crazy.
Yeah, I know. So many people think he does signal and just joined because of it.
Like, just learn, bro. Like, just learn by yourself. You don't need no signals.
I can't explain how much I hate when people in member wins only show like their wins and only like they just fake it. They just get the smallest stop losses and the biggest wins.
Yeah.
Like you can tell who's genuine and who's not. It's so annoying. Yeah, today's definitely just gonna be a news day.
What do you think of this kind of type 3?
I don't like it mostly because it's just against overall higher time frame direction. I mean, plus it's not like the cleanest type 3 anyways.
So it's like a bit rangy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, DXY is ranging, but I still don't think this is a good trade, good setup.